Angus Youth National Roundup will be back for 2022, and Angus Australia is now calling for expressions of interest from members who may wish to be involved in the Angus Youth National Roundup Organising Committee. The Angus Youth National Roundup encourages, promotes and provides a wonderful learning platform for anyone aged between 8 and 25 years of age interested in the Australian beef cattle industry. The Angus Youth Roundup Organising Committee will provide guidance and assistance to the Angus Youth Roundup Event Manager in planning, promoting and conducting the 2022 Angus Youth National Roundup and help ensure that a successful event is conducted. We encourage anyone with an interest in Angus cattle and an interest in involvement in the Angus Youth program and interest and involvement in event planning and management to apply for a role on this Roundup Organising Committee. Expressions of interest must be returned to Angus Australia by Wednesday, April 21st by completing an online application form. So for more information, head to the Angus Australia website.